Hey guys, welcome back to a new one. Want to secure your Facebook account? Let's enable two-factor authentication. How to do that? Just open your Facebook application. Once you open the Facebook app, then go to right corner three bars. Okay. Then need to go down and choose setting and privacy. Okay, after that click on the settings. Yeah, but from here going towards I request all of you to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips, tricks and secret hacks. Now we want to enable the two-factor authentication, so click on account center. Okay, after clicking account center you need to go down on account settings and click the first option, password and security. Okay, then here you can see a option two-factor authentication. Click on this. Okay, after that you need to choose your profile, for example Instagram or Facebook. So we want to enable two-factor authentication on Facebook, so choose Facebook. And here's the final step. Now here you need to enter the password of your account. Once you enter the password, then the two-factor authentication will be turned on your Facebook account successfully. And I hope it's helped you. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.